Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So as there is a natural distinction between the crows and the swan, similarly there is distinction between a Krishna conscious person and an ordinary person. The ordinary persons are compared like the crows, and a fully Krishna conscious person is just like swans and ducks. Then he says, Tadvaga visargat janatagha viplava jasmin pratisloka abadhavatapi namani nantastu jasankitani ja sunnanti gayanti giranti sadha. On the contrary, this is a kind of literature, very nicely written, metaphorical, poetic, everything, but there is no question of glorifying the Lord. That is compared with just like the same place where the crows will take place. On the other hand, other kind of literature, what is that? Tadvaga visargat janataga vipla jasmin pratishlokam avaddava. A literature presented to the people, to the public, for reading, which are even grammatically incorrect. But because there is glorification of the Lord, it can produce revolution. It can purify the whole human society. My Guru Maharaj, when he was selecting articles to be published in the Harmonies, if we see simply that there is several times the writer has written Krishna, Lord Chaitanya, and like that, he passes immediately. All right. There's so many times he has uttered Krishna and Chaitanya, so it is all right. So similarly, even if we present our Bhakti-God in any other literature in broken languages, it does not matter. Because the glorification of the Lord is there. That is recommended by Narad. Tadbhaga visarga janata agavi. Janata ogha. Ogha means sinful activity. If one reads one line of this literature, although it is presented in broken language, but if he simply hears there is Krishna, then his sinful activities immediately vanished. Janataga vipla. Tadvaga visargat janataga vipla jasmin pratishlokam abaddavat. Namani anantas. Ananta means unlimited. His name, his fame, his glory, his qualities are described. Namani anantas jasankitani. The glorification is there. Even they are presented in broken language, then Sunnanti gayanti ginanti sadhava, just like my Guru Maharaj, sadhu, a saintly person, immediately passes, yes, it is all right. It is all right. Because there is glorification of the Lord. Of course, general public will not understand, but this is the standard version spoken by Narada. You write something. The aim should be simply to glorify the Supreme. Daniel literature is pavitra, purified. And however nicely, either literally or metaphorically or poetically, you write some literature which has nothing to do with God or Krishna, that is Vasatirtha, that is pleasure spot for the crows. This is the version of Narad Muni. We should be taking note of this. For the Vaishnava, there is one qualification, poetic. Everyone should be poetic. But that poetic language should be simply to glorify Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.